Rare lower level 3-bedroom condo with stunning western sunsets and lake and fountain views. Split floor plan, spacious kitchen, covered patio and so much more. Light and bright, in great shape and comes with its own assigned covered parking spot. Less than 100 feet from the community pool, Sapphire Lakes is loaded with amenities including box ball, tennis, pickleball, 4 pools and a vibrant social calendar. Located just 15 minutes from downtown Naples but quick access to the beaches and airports, this is perfect for full-time residency or would make a great rental. 3 leases a year are allowed at a minimum of 30 days each.